Alright, hey guys, what's up, or welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing well today. The eyelash should come make it more fixed too. I hope you yeah, sure. Sure. Anything. Yeah, sure. I hope you guys are doing well today. So today we're actually heading to Wonderland. We're late. We are late. But we're still gonna make the best of it because Wonderland kind of keep in a night. Only thing that we purchased tickets that for like the daytime, so we're not sure if like when it gets to 6 o'clock if there are them are go like they are going to like, you know, ask people to leave and those kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what's up today. Me and Maya what do you call it now, twinning, yeah, sort of. Yeah, so when she comes back you'll see her. She has on the white, it's this thing on my head here, not the same shirt but kind of same concept and not like that. So just guys stay tuned for when we get to Wonderland and all those good stuff that's gonna happen, because I think I've never vlogged where I've been to Wonderland and those stuff, like amusement park like that. Not talking Mystic Mountain like what's in Jamaica, but more of a kind of, you know, get the concept. So that's what's gonna happen for this vlog. You want to try this outside? You're not able to drink it off. So Maya went and got some Minute Maid, apple juice and so forth, and yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted. All right guys. Guys, so we are 4 minutes away, but this is the Wonderland sign. So yay!
Kilometers.
We are
At Wonderland.
we are at Canada's Wonderland. We are at Canada's Wonderland. Yes, we're happy, but listen,
I'm ready to lose the weight, guys.
Friend says she's ready to lose the wig. Hopefully my won't stay on. Yeah? Ciao, we are excited, but let me show you a little preview. We're gonna pass something. Yeah? And it is fall weather, so I know the trees them look like this. So it's a roller coaster here. Oh my god, people! Can't wait! Over there, me and my friend I go. You can stay out as I see up there, so I say, yeah.
Open at the year.
Fred!
We can't, but I'm stressed out.
Listen, we're hype about this. Alright? Hype about this. Look on him right there. Listen! We're hype about this. Hey! Hey! I see how I ride over there, turn people upside down and red there. No, sir! What?
Stop.
Boy!
I'm nervous.
I like the ride that we are touch all the
And
lake.
we are going to all of them.
We are going to as much.
They have to go take we out there tonight.
What's up, somebody here? Yeah, if you taking no valley till 6 o'clock, you have to go walk and search for you. You better take a picture and put it up because they're not going to find we. Guys, Kingdom on fire. Oh, no, stop it.
Head north toward James Street, York Regional Road 55.
Alright guys, so we are now at Canada's Wonderland. We're late. It closed 5 o'clock, I was there 4 o'clock. Hi guys, so we are here. Oh. We're here, but it's cold, man. It's extremely cold. I love it here. She was asking if we're matching on purpose, so I told her yes. We can take pictures later because they can't show you to take pictures, don't you? Oh, where going? Huh? That's all shiny. So guys, Wonderland closes at 5 and we got here at 4 and the line them long. So we're gonna probably get to the corner. We'll try to we can do 3 rides. I know it is 4. What time? 4:13. So if we can't get 3 rides, we'll try to get 3 rides in. Not sure. See how best as possible because we're in the line, you know. They're not throw you out of the line, you know. They're not throw you out of the line. No, this line. Yeah. So we're gonna see what we can do and try to give you guys as much as possible. The thing is that we can't vlog while we're on the ride, so you know things will fall out and all of that. So yeah, the line have moved too. So no, turn on the camera. Alright, look at this. Alright guys, so unfortunately this is going to be the only ride we're going to get to go on because we're finally just getting to the top.
Go to the back.
We are just getting to the top of the ride, so it's going to take us, it took us 1 hour to wait in line for this ride. So yeah, Maya, we're cold. Look for me. Turn the camera on me. I'm cold.
Socks on.
My socks them. I'm the tights they want channel. It's cold. Press it. Stop it. Guys, good wig. Good Maya.
It was good.
Jean, Maya, look at your wig. Your wig secure. Jean, big ear, Maya. Tash. No wig here, Maya said. Maya said, no wig not here, Tash. Not here. Oh my God.
That was good.
Guys, may I tell you, it make you adrenaline. What you call it? Adrenaline.
The belly gone.
Hey, they right there? You know, it. Smell it, oh God. Away. Oh? Wow. Oh my God. Oh yeah, God. Guys, this was the ride that we went on. Crazy, may I tell you. Maya's gonna take photos. Ready? Normal.
Normal job for pregnant baby.
Guys? Alright, so unfortunately I want ride to go party. I went that one on here. Yeah, God. So the amusement park there too. Yeah. This one, where is it? That one over there in the back You can see it from here. Unfortunately, that's all right. Look, some persons up there going on it. May I tell you, my voice all the worst. May I tell you, all watch out. One of them, hold on, none of the music get copyright. Alright guys, so they have a few little Halloween stuff too as well. If you look, you see. But I think these are for the Halloween aunt. That's coming later on tonight, but it's all sold out. So yeah, so you can see they have like if you look, some man in a cage, zombies in a cage. Hey.
Story. I'm afraid it's a little bit gory. I told a person like you, get out of here, skidoo. He stood and stared. He must not have cared. So I bit off his head. I think he might be dead. I like that.
It's on a cake place, what ma? But queen line. How can I put a cake on your there? The line long.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
Listen,
Head west.
even though it was one ride, don't mind the socks by my hand. I'm sorry. But it see there was before my ass. Touch where you see.
Exactly, like I'm not waiting today. Every single time you have to touch where your seatbelt.
What's that? Sister. Lucky there for me, because I can't my hand in the lucky for me.
There's congestion on Ontario 401 East that is causing a 6-minute delay. You are on the fastest route. You will arrive at 6:18 p.m.
6:18. Okay. 27 minutes. So, it's just a habit that we have, or not a habit, but an issue that we have about time.
We're not good with time.
We're not good
Personally, I'm not good with time, and then how we combine makes things even
Yeah.
worse.
Bad with time. So, we only got a chance to go on one single ride, and it's because the line did long. I think if we did go over the next, we would have done 2 rides. Because remember, so then lock out the 6 rides, so we would have finished that the ride before 6:45. You know, they want to jump and whoops. Yeah. So, yeah. But does my head look big? My head looks so big. My head also put on this stuff away and my favorite one big old pumpkin. Can you believe it?
Why not fit you?
You hear this bitch say? You hear what she say? What did you just say? What you just said?
It's Halloween. We should just fit it.
Right,
Am I going the right way? I exit out there. People are going to listen to them.
So guys, we're going to Yardley Mall. Alright then. See the ride, Michelle. A loop of the ride. So that's the entire ride that we went on. Crazy. Matter the drop them. Them don't know but yeah, Maya man. Tash, my wig not see it. So me say, Maya, your wig gone.
Yeah, one and
Me think your wig did gone too.
I think the wig did gone. Come on, see just.
Me say me think your wig gone. Come here, Maya.
It just feel cold. Like.
Hey.
I'm going to say, thank God it's still there. I'm coming to come and say, Tash, the wig still stay good because I feel like it is gone.
Gone. And then me see hold on for me and say, Tash, and I'm say, Maya, hold on. Tash. And Iman just inside of it. I say,
man,
hold up your hand. I'm like,
woo!
we have a problem. We shall have out from 6 o'clock this morning.
You say I'm putting on 10 out the door.
That's
Don't worry, there will be a next time and there will be greater rides.
Yep, definitely. So I got to know the vlog, guys. I'm probably start one next one. So I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, so that might be just a vlog to itself. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.